This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Our color layer for the base is yellow ochre and burnt umber. Now swing it around to our color layers. Our first color is ColorArte Ambrosia, that's part of their Prizm pour, and rich auburn, Myan gold, pearlescent deep brown, pixie dust, and Firefly. We're showing the consistency here. And if you look down, you can see that it's leaving a little bit of a trace. A little thicker than I would like, but I think we're going to roll with it. Next up is our cell activators, which are mixed with Australian Floetrol in a 3-to-1 ratio with the paint. Lamp Black by Amsterdam, Titanium White by Amsterdam, and Iridescent Gold by Golden. Our pillow paint today is Glidden Essentials in Eggshell. Our pouring medium is Valspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick at a 3-to-1 ratio. Our canvas size for today is a 10 by 20 inch, and our pillow paint is going down now. Much of this video, you're going to notice that I speed things up. It took quite some time for this painting. Looking at the consistency of our first paint, often happens they will thicken up as they're waiting to be poured. Okay, so I checked it and I'm going to lay it down. Poured a little too fast at the beginning. I'm kind of a little thin on the end, but I'll fix that in just a little bit. And spread this out a little bit. See if I can get some coverage on the side that was a little thin. So I'm just pouring it off on the other end. Okay, our next color is yellow ochre. This is a golden paint. I find this color pairs very well with gold. Okay, I'm going to take a few seconds here and see if I can spread this out a little bit. Get some of my color layer, that base color layer, to spread out. What I'm trying to do there is I want to catch the edge of the color layer so that I can stretch it across. This was a little difficult. This is part of what I was talking about. Things took time. With this, you really have all the time in the world, so just take the time. It's very zen. One of the things I like about fluid art. Okay, I'm taking the burnt umber down to the other side. The burnt umber is a very dark brown. And again, that's a Sonja product. Okay, laying down my first color. And this is the pearlescent brown, the pearlescent dark brown. And this is the pearlescent white. This is Boom Gel. I hadn't planned on using this, but I thought I needed to break some things up just a little bit. Our next color is Ambrosia. This is part of the ColorArte Prizm pour collection, and a lot of shimmer with this. Part of what I like about the ColorArte Prizm collection. So they're just super shiny. Our next color is Rich Auburn. And again, this is the Prizm pour collection. Next up is Firefly. This is part of the ColorArte basic pigment colors. And this has a heck of a lot of sheen to it. And it's just my first time using this. It's been in my box for some time, but I was thinking it was going to be more gold, and it has a violet and pink shift to it. Very interesting color. Decided I need to break it up a little bit. I have some Boom Gel Metallic Gold coming in next. Boom Gels are fairly new to my palette, and I'm enjoying them so far. They kind of boost the cell activators. Next down is Myan Gold, and this is part of the primary colors from ColorArte. And again, this is another one I haven't used until now. It's a deep, rich gold. Okay, this one is called Pixie Dust. And it goes down as a really bright gold because it diffuses. It actually gives it a shimmer across. It's not quite an interference color, but it's very subtle. And it's sort of like wearing a glitter makeup, I guess. I'm going to speed this next section up during the swiping and just let you enjoy. If you have any questions, I'd invite you to leave them down in the comments below. So many challenges with this piece that I didn't expect, but the end result I'm pretty happy with. because there's so much paint on this canvas, I needed to spin quite a bit. And as you see here, I had to get rid of some of it on before I started really giving this a spin. And the reason I wanted to make sure that I got as much paint off as possible is if you don't, things will craze or crack. The biggest advice I can give you is just make sure you get enough off the canvas. And I do that when I tilt and I see movement, then I know I need to get more paint off the canvas. To take you down for the flyover. I'm enjoying the selling on this. They got overstretched, but it doesn't take away from the overall appearance, I don't think. I'm going to turn my lights off and put my camera light on so you can see the shimmer in this. The color shift is really pretty amazing. As you can see that pink violet shift there. Look for that. If you found this video useful today, I'd invite you to leave a like. And if you haven't already done so, smash the subscribe button. It really does help with the algorithm. Finally, ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I hope you've enjoyed this today. I want to thank you for coming along, and hope to see you next time. Bye now.